Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You open Naver and sign in immediately so you can act. Start by tapping Sign In and enter your Naver ID or phone number. This links preferences and backups. Once done, approve permissions for camera, microphone, and location. This lets search, maps, and login work smoothly. If you have two-step enabled, follow the prompt to confirm with SMS or Authenticator. Make sure your network is stable. A weak connection stalls content loading and account sync. You use Naver's search field as the hub, type or tap the mic for voice queries, then switch between web, images, and map tabs. Once results appear, pin helpful sources and save to bookmarks to build your library. Next, personalize news by selecting topics and muting unwanted publishers. This trains the feed to show relevant stories. Make sure to link Naver Mail and your blog so recommendations and alerts sync across devices. That reduces repeated searches and keeps everything orderly. You complete tasks by using the bottom menu. Open Maps for directions, translate for text and camera translation, and pay for quick purchases. When a function misbehaves, clear the app cache or update via the store. A restart often resolves permission issues. If login or payment still fails, go to Settings, right arrow Help, and contact support with screenshots and timestamps so they can reproduce the issue. One key tip: check app permissions and network before deeper troubleshooting to save time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.